Hi everyone, welcome back to Nisha's Lifestyle. This is the second part of our pineapple jam tart. We are going to learn how to make the outer dough. If you have missed the first part, which is the jam, I'll put the link in the description below. Be sure to check it. Now let's look at the ingredients. First, in a mixing bowl, take 250 grams of butter. You can use unsalted butter or salted. And then into the butter, add in 1 cup of icing sugar. I used unsalted butter, so I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. If you're using salted butter, you can skip this. Add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. This is very important, do not skip this. This is what makes the dough very soft. You want to take this mixture and beat well for 10 minutes. If you don't have a mixer or a beater, you can mix them using a fork until they change a little bit pale in color. This is how the mixture looks like after 10 minutes. It should be pale in color, very soft and fluffy. Now into this mixture we are going to add half cup of milk powder, half cup of corn flour, and about a teaspoon of vanilla powder. You can use vanilla extract, essence, or even vanilla beans. This is 300 grams of flour. Mix that in. Mix all these ingredients using your hand. This is how the mixture looks like. Now our dough is ready. We can start making our jam tart. We are going to learn to make 2 types today. The first type will be like this, using the jam tart molds. This is the jam tart mold. You will need this to make this type of jam tart, and I'm using this pattern today. I filled it in with some dough. This is how the pattern looks like. This is the vessel that you use to fill in the dough. Make sure to screw in the patterned mold tightly so that when you use it, the dough doesn't come out. Take about this much of dough and fill it in. Do not overfill the dough, just fill it until it's 3/4 full. The wavy part of the mold should face down. Press this on a flat surface. Make sure to press slowly and pull the mold. Do not do it fast or else your biscuit dough will start to crumble. Do it in a very slow pace. And once you have a long strip, I have filled a pastry bag with the pineapple jam. Now we are going to squeeze a little of the pineapple jam on the dough. And then we are going to gently, very gently roll this. Take a knife and cut. Make sure to give it a light press to join the end part with the dough. Now you want to keep doing this to all the dough. Let's take a look again. Squeeze in a little bit of jam. Roll the dough very gently. Cut using a knife and make sure to seal the ends. If you don't have a pastry bag, you can use this method. You can scoop a little jam and then roll it into tiny logs. Of course, this will take time and you have to clean your hands, your palm, after maybe 3-4 logs because it will get sticky. Now moving on to the second type. If you don't have that jam tart mold, you can make this using this simple method. Take some dough, make it into a ball shape, press lightly in the center. And then you want to take the small jam logs that we made earlier, place it in the center and seal well. Firstly, make it to a ball shape. And then gently press the dough to flatten. Do not press it hard or else the jam will ooze out. Now our jam tarts are ready to bake. I'm baking them for 10 minutes. Now each and every oven is different. Bake them according to your ovens. After 8 minutes, you wanna check the doneness of the tarts. Mine took 10 minutes. Flip the jam tart and check the bottom. If the bottom is slightly browned, then it's done. It will be soft, but take out and let it cool before consuming as the jam will be piping hot. This is the other batch. The color is looking really nice. This is also done. Our eggless pineapple tarts are done. I hope you enjoyed this video and I really hope you try to make them. If you make them, do share in the comments below how did they turn out for you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.